God says, "Beloved, this is not strange concerning the fiery trial, which is to try you as though some strange thing has happened to you. But rejoice." Rejoice? Yes, rejoice. Have none there for your conduct, which have great recompense of reward. Yes. The Lord endure every trial and every test that confronts you, because even on the cross, he knew the outcome.
Yes. I'm looking to Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith. He knows the thoughts he thinks towards me, and they are of peace and not of evil, to give me an expected end.
And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose.
Hallelujah.